That special ocean smell is made up of a couple of substances that rise from the ocean into the air above it. One of those is known by the long name dimethyl sulfide, or DMS for short, and it is made by microscopic algae known as phytoplankton. Each phytoplankton is a single cell, but these can multiply very quickly to form giant blooms that stretch over areas the size of Ireland or even bigger. These blooms are so big, they can be seen from space. Professor Asaf Vardi, Professor Dan Tawfik, former PhD student Dr. Uriah Al-Kolombri, and Dr. Adva Shimi of the Weizmann Institute of Science discovered how algal cells make DMS and its role in predator-prey interactions. This molecule is very important to the algae that produce it, since they use it to talk with one another using chemical signals that go between the cells and between other members of microbial community as bacteria and grazers. In certain conditions, when DMS rises from the algal blooms into the air above the ocean, aerosol particles can form that can affect the formation of clouds. Professor Ilan Koren of the Weizmann Institute of Science studies the physics of how clouds and rain form over the ocean. Each of these three scientists normally works in a very different field of research, but they work together to figure out just how the tiny phytoplankton in the ocean may influence our climate and the air we breathe and smell. By the way, scientists still don't know if phytoplankton will be affected by warmer oceans under climate change, and whether they will produce more or less DMS, how DMS helps cells to talk to one another in the sea, and whether it helps protect the cells in other ways.